There are so many job opportunities out there right now. Hopefully, all of you will take advantage of checking these job opportunities out and seeing if there's anything out there that you might be interested in that will provide the training that you're looking for and provide the opportunity for you if you already have experience. But for those that don't have any experience, there's a lot of opportunities out there. So I hope you take advantage of these. Hello, everyone, and welcome to Learn a Trade channel. My name is Kevin Tate. Glad to be here with you all today. In this video, I will be going over a few employment opportunities that may interest you. These employment opportunities are all in the equipment service field, equipment service industry. One of them has to do with inventory specialists. So I'm just going to start off with the employment technician position with Vixo. This is in Missoula, Montana. And you'll be able to find these job listings in the comment section of on the community channel, the community section of the channel. I included the link for you to apply to the position. This position is for equipment technician. They have a sign-on bonus of $1,500. They offer a quarterly bonus and a company vehicle. And this is with Vixo. Well, Vixo is seeking a full-time equipment technician to manage a territory that includes Missoula, Montana, and surrounding areas. Compensation range from $23 to $30 an hour, depending on experience. You can go to the community section to check out the full job description in that. And I will leave that link down in the description of this video as well. Another one I came across was an inventory control specialist in New York. This one has a pay range of from $23 to $25 an hour, full time. You can see that full description in the community section. And I will put the link in the description of this video as well. And this is with Vixo. They're seeking a full-time inventory control logistics specialist to manage a territory that includes New York, and surrounding areas. Compensation ranges, like I said, between $23 to $25 an hour, depending on experience. And you can go down there and you'll be able to see more as far as what the full job description is and what the qualifications are. Another one is field maintenance technician level 1, restaurant equipment. And this is for the territory of in Norwich, Connecticut. And this is has a price range between $20 to $30 an hour, full-time, entry level as well. And I will be putting that link in the description for you too. So those are just a few that I came across that I thought were pretty good opportunities for employment. If you're interested in seeing more of this type of content as far as job opportunities, let me know in the comments section or send me an email letting me know that you'd like to see a few more of these, and I can put some stuff together, possibly to do a live or be able to present a video with about 3 or 4 opportunities per video. So just let me know and give me some feedback on that if you'd like to see a few more of these to be able to get more opportunities presented to you. And again, most of these are on Indeed or on LinkedIn. So that's all I have for now on this. Hopefully, this is helpful to some of you that are looking for employment. And I'll see you on the next one. Take care, everybody.